Selecting the presentation format and tool that best suits your data will allow you to present your important points in an informed and informative way. Once you have found information you feel is relevant from one or more sources and you are ready to communicate it visually, choosing the appropriate presentation format will help you clarify the aspects you wish to communicate by obliging you to organize your ideas, your thoughts, and your observations. In this sense, selecting the presentation format for your information serves as an analysis tool, and the presentation itself, once completed, is the analysis result, helping to reinforce your point. Some presentation formats and tools allow you to highlight the hierarchical relationships among meaningful data. Others are good for comparing data sets or mapping out the links that unite them. The most important thing is to choose the presentation format based on your data that will do the most to help you build meaning. For example, using a table to present the advancements in the history of telecommunications displaying important dates will only give rudimentary information, whereas a timeline will visually portray the exponential acceleration of inventions in this field. If we add images to the timeline, the increasingly sophisticated appearance of the devices further emphasizes the concept of the technological progress. Although the table and the timeline contain the same raw data, the timeline improves the experience of the data presented by highlighting an additional aspect. That said, your choice of presentation format may be guided by the desire to summarize or clarify the information rather than reinforcing it or adding meaning. Notably, double entry tables are ideal for putting data into order and simplifying data sets by isolating common variables. Some presentation formats, such as tables, are very versatile. That is, they are suitable for handling a wide variety of data. Others offer optimal effectiveness for more specific situations, such as these. A concept map presents a subject as a diagram that graphically illustrates the connections among the ideas to provide an overview. An organogram shows the hierarchical and operational structure of an organization, while a sociogram reveals the dynamics of social connections in a group of people. A word cloud, automatically generated by a software program, draws a key lexicon from a text by showing the words in a size proportional to the number of times they are repeated in it. And these are just a few examples. If you are running short of inspiration, the Smart Art tool in the Office Suite programs can help. It offers a directory of different types of visual presentations, each of which comes in a variety of models. Once you select a model, its most useful application is shown. Using the model is like child's play, with contextual options and automatic input fields. If the data you want to present are quantitative, the most common presentation formats are tables and charts. In the case of charts, it might sometimes be difficult to choose between, say, bar charts, line charts, and area charts. To find a way out of your conundrum, explore the chart options of a spreadsheet. Let's use Excel, the most widely known spreadsheet application. In the Charts group, the tooltip for each chart type explains its best uses. Furthermore, the tooltip for the specific model offers more details and additional information, providing useful decision-making assistance. Once you have selected the presentation format that best suits your data, the next challenge is to choose an appropriate tool. As we just saw, a spreadsheet is ideal for creating charts based on quantitative data. Spreadsheets are also very effective for quickly creating tables that contain numbers or short texts. To create tables with a lot of text, such as a reading record, for example, word processing software is ideal. This is also a very handy tool for dividing information into small chunks and ordering it into bulleted or numbered lists. This kind of software is also your best friend when you need to create an essay outline. When these kinds of programs are not enough, or just to explore further options, the internet steps in. There is a panoply of tools online for displaying information, often free if you stick to basic uses. Lots of these tools are being developed over time, and several new applications are created each month. It's up to you to discover them using a keyword search in a browser. Let's sum up. Selecting the information presentation format that you deem most relevant should allow you to both clarify your ideas to yourself and determine the best way to communicate them to others. Your choice should be guided by the desire to build the meaning of your work and make that meaning as clear as possible. There are lots of tools at your disposal to create the presentation you choose, either in your Office application suite or in downloadable or online applications. Always look for the best way to visually present your information. That way, you will significantly improve the quality of your work.